Guys, in this video, we'll see whether you are a developer, designer, or whatever skill you are having. Even if you are having typing skills as well, you can contribute your services over this website. And guys, absolutely free of cost, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. And over, you are getting paid by just doing as a freelancing work over this website. New website, and important tool is also I just mentioned in this video, which will help you to generate more and more income from this website. Watch this video till the end. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from toptal.com. Okay, it's a new freelancing website where you can contribute your skills, your efforts over this website. And in the end of this video guys, I'll show you a tool that you can use for SEO in order to do the free freelancing. And guys, there is no limit for keywords on this website. Okay, I'll show you step by step and free of cost. Okay, so first of all, the ones who want to earn money, because lots and lots of my subscribers are asking me a question that so please give us a video on a dedicated video on money earning websites, because we are unable to concentrate on different sites like fiverr.com and people per hour, because there is a saturation in this market and there is no projects which are available. So I should say that guys, the projects on those websites are, I know they are saturated, but this website will help you to generate clients. Okay, because it's absolutely free of cost in order to apply here. Okay, because this website will automatically give you your client on your email ID. Okay, I'll show you a full-fledged registration over this website, how to do the registration and how to get the clients, okay, which are very important for you to become a freelancer. Okay, so just watch this video guys, watch this video till the end, because there are lots and lots of projects that you can handle, that you can manage in order to be successful in this domain. Okay, in these kind of domains, you can see this guys, there is no limit. Even people from even people who are students, okay, they can also do their work. Okay, they can do the side hustle, okay, in parallel of their studies. Okay, you can see this guys, Android developer, brand we can say that brand designer, okay, illustrator, logo designer, whatever niche you are having. Okay, and I've already told you that in the end of this video I'll show you a website which helps you to get keywords. Okay, keywords. So let's start first. Okay, let's start our whole process of doing this thing, okay, as a freelancer. So what you need to do guys is to just apply as a freelancer. Okay, just click on this freelancer. Okay, and guys, what you need to do here is to just come up here and you just need to make sure that you have selected I'm a freelancer of what? I'm a freelancer of designer. Let us suppose you are a designer. Okay, you need to give your mail ID guys. Okay, so I just quickly gave my mail ID. Okay, so I just quickly gave you and gave my password and my confirmation of the password and my full name. Okay, this is my full name. I just need to do the acknowledgement and just click on this join Toptal. Okay, and you can see this a confirmation link is sent to my mail address. Okay, so you can see this guys, there is a confirmation. Okay, I just need to click on this link. Okay, see this, I just need to click on this link and you can see this, I have reached to this verification part. Okay, all my verification is done. So now get started. I just need to do the get started method. Okay, and you can see this guys, what you need to do is full legal name you just need to give. Okay, I just need to give my full legal name. Okay, and guys, whatever country you are belonging to, you just need to select your country name and your residence, your citizenship you need to give. Okay, and your Skype, okay, your Skype name you just need to give. Okay, and what is your English proficiency guys? It is intermediate, advanced or fluent, you can select. And guys, here you can see you can give your skills. Okay, you can type either SEO content, okay, organic SEO, okay, and I'll show you in the I have already told you that in the end of this video I'll show you how to do this SEO part, what is a website, okay. And we can say that typing job we can do, okay, typing job we can do, yes, typing job we can do, graphic designing job, okay, graphic designing job, okay. And we can say that SEO, graphic designing, and whatever niche you are compatible with. Logo designing, we can say logo designing, okay, brand logos, you can also do that part. You can give your LinkedIn, Behance, Dribble and personal website, you can give it, okay. I've already shown you how to create accounts on these platforms, reputed platforms, so just go now and you can post your link. Otherwise it's not important to do that, okay. How many years of experience do you have in this field? So you can select as per your niche, guys. If you are doing as a part-time, okay, of your personal work, then it's good. And if you are doing a side hustle skill, then you can give as per your years of experience and the type of projects that you did, okay. Which type of job commitment do you prefer? Okay, you can set up hourly basis, it's very good. And what is your personal hourly rate? You can set up as per your niche, guys. I can select $50, $25, anything you can set up, okay. So based upon your region, you need to select it, okay. What do you look for in the company's culture? I can say that flexible and learning environment, okay. Guys, why it is important? Okay, why it is important to mention this thing? Flexible and learning environment. Why I need to write these kind of things? Because guys, as a perception, you are doing a business, and as a business there are trials and tribulations, okay, there are trials and tribulations. So you are compatible with this, you should be flexible with each we can say that flow of the business, okay. Either it is a downfall or upfall, okay. It might happen that you should not get your clients, okay. So you should be flexible and you are always there to learn new things. So this is a perception while you are doing the things in the culture. What motivates you to apply in TopTill? Okay, I want to do freelancing, you can say freelancing with TopTill, okay. You can give this reason. What type of projects would you like to work on? Creative projects, you can say creative projects, okay. What's the most amazing digital product design that you have contributed to? Guys, the most important digital product is our ebooks that I've already shown you how to create it, okay, how to develop it and how to sell it. Guys, if you have not watched my video, I just do recommend to watch it and then come to this video and watch it again, okay, because it's very important for you to understand the concepts. And if you have not liked and shared my subscribe to my channel, and just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, okay. Just click on this next button and you can see this, it will take some time to do the processing part, okay, because all of the things are validated, okay. Now you need to set up your profile picture, okay. So for the demo purpose, I can select any of such picture. You can select any of these pictures. Let us suppose this is my picture, okay. It is not the original picture, guys. I just show you for a demo purpose, okay. So you can upload your resume, guys. I have already shown you how to create your resume, okay. You just need to create it. Guys, current company name. What is your current company name? You can say ABC company, whatever company you are having. So I just gave a small demo about it. And guys, you might ask me a question right now, is that, sir, we are a freelancer, we are just contributing a service as a freelancer on Fiverr.com and peoples per hour. So no matter, guys, you can give that name as well, okay. What is your current job title? You can say that graphic designer, or we can say that developer or whatever you are. Okay, graphic designer. About yourself: I am having more than 5 years of experience in graphic designing. Okay, you can give this description as well. Okay, you can give this description as well. Okay, have you ever worked with freelancers? You can select yes. What are the pros and cons of freelancing? So pros you can give, guys. What are the pros? You can give that pros for freelancing are different build. You can say that build different and creative projects. Okay, and cons you can give. I can give that cash flow issues. Okay, so you can give, guys, don't give each and every cons that your system is not working, okay, at some point, or we can say that there is some medical emergency. Then they will take it as an excuse that we don't trust you as a client, we don't trust you as a freelancer, because this might happen that a client gave you a project that you need to submit it, and there is some emergency happen and you are unable to give the project to the client. Guys, there is a delay, so give a genuine reason that there is a cash flow issues that happens. Okay, so don't give it because it's a sarcastic thing. Okay, what do you think are the keys to success? Okay, we can say that, guys, determination. Okay, successful completion of the project. Okay, successful completion of the project, and lots and lots of things you need to give. Okay, so I just quickly gave and list these all kind of things. Okay, and just click on this next button. Okay, so it will take some time to do the processing, and you can see this, guys, your application, whatever you have entered, it will take at least 1 day to do the processing part. And you can see this, guys, I have posted right now, and it will take next day. You will your application is getting reviewed, and guys, and by you will get clients based upon your application that you have submitted. Make sure that all your documents and resumes are up to dated. Okay, and there is no scope of failure in that. Okay, otherwise, guys, it would become very difficult for you to to keep up with these kind of details. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to do, guys. Okay, another thing is your tool, guys. This is a perfect tool. You can see this, Answer the Public, which is the best SEO tool for your digital marketers or SEO trainers. If I just type a particular topic, let us suppose technology, and I want to search topics for a particular technology perspective. Okay, I just need to click on this search button, and guide, it will give me each and every keyword. You can see this, these are the keywords that it will give me. See this, these are the keywords that it will give me. See this. Okay, to do the processing part and to do all the optimization and skills that I can give on TopTal as well. Okay, so do try it, guys, do try it, because you just need to click on this download button. You can see this. Okay, you can see this download button, and you can see this. I just need to open this, and I'll show you these are the keywords that you can give to your clients in order to do the SEO part. You can see this, guys, free of cost, and there are more than 400, you can say that approximately 400 keywords that you can give to your clients to do the SEO part. So it's a good way to generate income while doing the SEO over this platform, guys, absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, and you will getting successful while doing these kind of small jobs. Okay, I hope you like these videos, guys. Okay, and there is always a motivation to give you the best content, guys. Okay, if you do like my videos, I just want to tell you that just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And there is always another motivation that will help you to generate business online, do the part-time job, and you can do the side hustle in order to earn money online. Okay, So this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.